Is it a Dalgona and tonic?
Something like
DalTonic.
DalTonic.
Et voilà.
So using a tonic and then pouring on a tonic some espresso, shaken espresso, the one that we used to do with the mixer.
Okay, foam. Yeah.
Foam, air of espresso on it, which you have two different consistencies at all.
Okay,
Completely different.
texture different.
Yeah.
So let's do that.
Yeah, let's take it.
I'll spray it. Shake it. Okay, spank it.
Yeah.
I love that.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, I'm starting to learn.
There, so it's great, done. Stop it when it's 28.
28.
Yeah, because
okay.
we took a couple of seconds to out of there.
Okay.
Great.
It's 29, 30, 31. Is it good?
Yeah, perfect.
Not that quick. You guys are pretty slick with those.
It seems, yeah,
grams, huh?
yeah. In the morning shift, it's like the evening shift. I mean, man, we are always in a rush.
Okay.
Like you, we look relaxed and stuff. We're just maybe serving tramentisans, croissants, but
It's important to follow the details. So now we got this, and we're gonna make the foam with that. You were telling me.
yeah, great.
And are we gonna put any milk or cream?
Why not? We make it.
So we put the milk at the bottom,
Yeah.
the tonic in between,
Yeah.
and the coffee from the top. You were telling me.
Yeah.
Man, that's
Weird. Yeah, but the nice part is that machine makes everything.
yeah, exactly.
That's a lazy mentality, but
It works.
if you have to make hundreds and hundreds, man, after a while,
With ice or without?
The drink?
Yeah.
No, with ice. Cool. I don't know. What do you think about?
No, it's good.
Great.
It's like nothing.
Okay, now look at this. Look at this. Totally thick.
Wow.
No sugar, nothing, sir.
Just whip it there.
Are you ready to tonic?
Yeah. So this one at the bottom.
No, I used to make tonic,
Tonic.
and then a layer of milk and a layer of
All right.
espresso.
Okay. We should try to do without adding any more ice. What do you think?
Why not? I mean, as I told you, the first experiment was pretty, basic, when you start. And we just put like, let's say a tonic
Okay.
with some milk and some coffee. And the nicest part, that's great. That's great. And the nicest part is it's liquid, it's foamy, it's coffee, it's milk, it's tonic.
Yeah, it's.
You don't know what's going on. Yeah.
Super. Looking for another spoon. Let me use this.
First person drank it was a super nice girl.
Yeah, really?
Lufthansa, yeah.
Okay.
So I already tried with a customer, let's say.
Okay.
She was amazed about it.
Or was she amazed about you?
No, she was amazed about the drink. We can't do that while we're working.
Wow, delicious.
Or we shouldn't.
So this is an upgrade Dalgona coffee with tonic. Is it a Dalgona and tonic?
Something like
DalTonic.
that. DalTonic. So this is green and this is yellow.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a DalTonic.
Okay, so wow,
But it's gonna stay like that forever. It's not gonna. I mean, the layer are gonna last for
No,
minutes.
it's amazing drink. And you know what I would like to ask you? What do you think about something like orange zest, something like this?
An orange zest on top. Yeah, we should try. I should have some oranges, some.
So, can you imagine now? Now it's like tonic, okay? So
Yeah.
a pop drink.
okay.
Milk, espresso, and some fruit. You know, some grapefruit.
And we should go fancy with coffee bean and get back to the 80s with and voila!
Oh, man, this totally looks this photo of the 80s drinks.
Yeah,
Looks,
exactly.
you know,
Yeah. It's a super Italian American bar
Right.
from the 80s.
Man, about drinks, we share a lot of stuff with that dudes. You know, the nice thing, it's this game of textures, different
Yeah.
textures. Of course, the tonic is a pop, and the rest is foamy. You know, very fluffy, foamy.
So?
And so, you know, I was thinking about you know, people that doesn't drink alcohol at all.
In order to give them something beautiful as well to drink.
Something to
yeah.
it, curious. Of course, you know, it's gonna be weird, probably.
Man, it's like drinking some lemon gelato with a hint of coffee. It's super weird as a feeling. Or it is like when you have a lunch, you have the sorbetto,
Yeah.
and then you drink the coffee. It's
All together.
the same palette of tastes. Come on, try that.
Yeah. You know, but
Buonissimo.
don't you think so? For somebody, you know, people that doesn't drink at all. for
Yeah,
example.
instead of having those tutti frutti mixtures.
Which are only juices and stuff.
This is even beautiful to see.
Yeah.
You made me
That's
discover something new.
It's you know, cooperation between baristas and bartenders.
Yeah.
And as I was telling you before, no oversaturation, no bitterness in the coffee.
Yeah, only the taste of coffee.
That was the thing before. For me, it's always key grinding because then, you know, this is oversaturation. It's you always taste this in aftertaste in the end of the end, and when you feel fine, you're gonna, you know, taste something.
And it's
What's
all on
wrong?
the grind, you say.
Yeah.
Cool. So now I think it's time to go for lunch because I can see Ricardo over there, which is saying, "Hey, it's time to go for lunch." So
Yeah.
shall we go?
Probably they want also to booze, to drink also.
Yeah, a little
We
bit.
are only
We can
about
sell that
drinking.
something. Okay. Man, great job. Cool.
Great.
Well done.
You're my favorite bartender.
You too, my favorite barista.